Welcome back to another episode of Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. Today we are taking the Weber SmokeFire for a test run. What are we making today?
Today we're making chicken wings, a whole big bowl of them, and we're going to be using some Traeger coffee rub. And you're probably thinking, how does Traeger work on Weber? But they work. So coffee rub is my all-time favorite Traeger rub, especially on chicken. Now, it's not the only rub they sell. They sell many other flavors, Black and Saskatchewan here, prime rib, and they also sell a lot of different sauces. But coffee rub is for sure our favorite on chicken, for sure.
Yes, mine too.
So what we like to do is olive oil. There's never really any real measurements. It doesn't matter how much you really do. Just coat all the chicken wings.
My favorite other spice that they have, I love the veggie spice.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Just add a bit of flavor to your veggies before it goes in the grill. Now, I've heard that Tom's not a big coffee fan, but he likes the coffee spice. So you don't have to be a coffee fanatic to love the coffee spice. It's very subtle.
I find it doesn't even really taste like coffee. It just does a really good job on the chicken, for sure. So I just make sure that they're all fully coated, nice, all over olive oil and the rub. You can use as much as you want or as little, but I like to make sure they're all really fully coated to get the full flavor of it.
Yeah, for sure. And I love a good dry rub on wings. It's kind of my preference, so I like to make sure it has a good coating.
I always find that sauces are a lot of times better for after, and then rubs are a lot better for coating and marinating, I find. Sometimes sauces have a lot of sugar, but the rubs just really work well with it. So now they're all fully coated. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go place them on the grill, maybe put a little bit more.
A little more. Make sure it's just right.
Oh yeah.
For me, just right is a lot. I like to have a lot of spice on mine. Yeah, come back in 35 minutes. We'll have some wings for you.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and place them on the grill. We're up to 375 on this.
These are looking good. There's also lots of room in here. You can see they have the second shelf as well. And because it is the SmokeFire, and the way that it works is that all of the wings should cook evenly. So when we pull these out, they should be a nice even cook on all of the wings. You don't need to fuss and move them around to different hot spots on the grill. How many wings do you think we have on there? Like over 20?
Yeah, probably 20.
Yeah, we have about 20 wings, and it hasn't even taken up a whole lot of rack. So
Still got lots of room.
Lots of surface space on this grill, which is fantastic. Now we're just gonna set it and forget it for about 20 minutes. It says that we can turn them, but I never really do.
Probably shouldn't have to, really, with the smoke fire circulating everything.
So we're gonna set it for 35 minutes and come back and see how these look. All right, we're back. It has been about 35 minutes. We checked the wings part way. They were looking really, really good. So let's see what these look like. Ooh, looking good. Very nice.
Take these off.
Yeah, again, we used the coffee rub today, but Traeger does have a wide variety of spices that you can use. And we just put a little bit of olive oil on there, and that's about it. You have some really nice dry rub wings.
And we have some Traeger rubs in stock. If you're ever looking for something for any of your meat or grilling, you come in and see us anytime. We have Traeger pellets in stock as well. So definitely come see us for your grilling game.
Awesome. Thank you so much for joining us on Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. On our next episode, we are going to be doing some kitchen hacks. We're going to learn how to cut some of the trickier items that you might be cutting, like mango, like pineapple, like avocado. So stay tuned for that. We will see you soon.
See ya.